check it out.
Give them back!
Hey, what happened?
Hey, police officer, the pink girl stole my toy. Can you please help me?
Yeah, let's get him!
Yeah! Hey, pink gorilla, give my toy back. Give it back to him. Give it back. So, police officer, what are you gonna do? I want my toy back.
Maybe you have something in your bag that you can trade him with.
Okay, let me check.
Let's see what you got.
Ooh, this one. Hey, pink gorilla, I'll trade you this one. Oh, he doesn't like that one.
Maybe give him something else. Ooh! A toy sandwich! Ooh, it's so cute!
Yeah, I know.
Hey, gorilla, catch! What? He didn't like that? That was so cute!
Yeah. Oh no, I ran out of things to give, officer. What are we gonna do now?
Ooh! I was supposed to have this for my snack, but I think you will like this. Hey, gorilla, here. Nope, you have to come down here and get it. Come here. Get the banana. And gotcha!
Yeah!
Huh? Stealing is bad. I'm gonna give you a warning this time. Well, if you ever steal again, you're gonna go to jail. You got it? Okay, you can go now. Never steal again.
Yeah!
Here's your toy, kid.
Thank you, officer.
Isaac, we're here!
Yay!
Whoa! Isaac, look at this view!
Yeah, it's so nice. Isaac, look. Whose food are these, Troy?
I don't know, Isaac. Isaac, maybe someone's here.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Yeah. Isaac, let's check out this room first.
Yeah.
Shh. Isaac. First, I'm gonna look for his bed.
What's he doing here?
I don't know, Isaac.
Let's get out of here.
Okay. Isaac, let's check the other room.
Yeah.
Isaac, there's 2 gorillas.
Oh no, Troy. What are we gonna do? Troy, how are we gonna get them out?
Isaac, I have an idea. Follow me. Look, Isaac, what I got.
Ooh.
So scary, right, Isaac? Yes!
He's gone.
1 gorilla down, 1 more to go. Isaac, let's give the pink gorilla with this.
That sounds good, Troy. Good job, Troy. High five.
No, both gorillas are gone.
Now we can relax.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.